Hi, welcome to Module 1, the scientific study of personality. So, as we talked about before, personality theory is a study of you and me. It's the study of human beings and what makes us all unique. It also looks at what are the motives behind our behavior, our feelings, our thoughts, our actions, what makes us tick, basically. And questions come up in personality theory like does personality stay the same across the lifespan? Or is everything fixed in childhood and however your personality is established at that age doesn't change in adulthood? Um, are we all unique or are there similarities across us as human beings that can lead to commonalities and generalities and predictions that we're able to make about personality? And finally, what happens when things go wrong? What are some common personality disorders or difficulties that individuals might experience? So the modules and your textbook are organized into 8 different paradigms, which is another way of describing bodies of thought or philosophies. So we start out by discussing the psychodynamic paradigm, and that'll be the next module. We move to family, society, and culture. Then we discuss the psychiatric paradigm, which is the real focus on disorders and personality disorders. Then we move through trait theory and existentialism, phenomenology and humanism, learning theories, and finally genetics. So, in this module, where the focus more is on personality as a science, the key then is going to be to look at how do we measure this? What types of tools do psychologists use to measure and assess personality? And we end by discussing what the criteria of a good theory is. So, how can we evaluate whether or not all of these different paradigms have any merit? So, your task as you move through each of the modules is to keep the aspects of the scientific study of personality in mind so that we're not just talking about um, what individual opinions are, that is based in science and proper scientific rigor. So, your task then will be to evaluate each of the theories we discuss using the criteria of a good theory as a basis for evaluation. And then as we move through them all, you can decide which ones you like, which ones you don't like, which ones you think should be tossed out, or which ones may have some aspects that you'd keep and others that you might dismiss. So enjoy, and I'll talk to you next time.